yung ginawa ng Korte Suprema, hindi lang judicial overreach or judicial expansionism. Sobra pa dyan at nakakabahala. Ano pong ginawa ating Korte Suprema? Judicial amendment to or revision of the Constitution, which only the Constitutional Convention or Constituent Assembly can do. Yung paglatag po, Christian, ng 7 requirements for due process of law. Yung pagbabago ng mga interpretasyon. Para sa akin po, ipagdagdag sa ating Constitution. And only the people through a Constitutional Convention or Constituent Assembly can do that. The Supreme Court cannot amend or revise the Constitution. Why do I say revise? Meaning major amendment, major change. Apektado po impeachment proceedings po eh. With this kind of decision, with your respect to the Supreme Court, you limited, you restrained, you restricted itong impeachment proceedings.